Dear English learners, use this basic questions and answers in your daily life to talk English fluently.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to play.
Where are you going?
I'm going to play.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Need water?
Yes, I need.
Need water?
Yes, I need.
Feeling sick?
Yes, I feel sick.
Feeling sick?
Yes, I feel sick.
Need help?
Yes, I need help.
Need help?
Yes, I need help.
Who's there?
Dad is there.
Who's there?
Dad is there.
Feel tired?
Yes, I feel tired.
Feel tired?
Yes, I feel tired.
How many?
It's 7.
How many?
It's 7.
Enjoy reading?
Yes, we enjoy reading.
Enjoy reading?
Yes, we enjoy reading.
Need tea?
No thank you.
Need tea?
No thank you.
Will you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Will you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Shall we brush?
Okay,
Shall we brush?
okay.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Shall we play?
Yes, Mom.
Shall we play?
Yes, Mom.
Do you know?
I don't know.
Do you know?
I don't know.
Any problem?
I want chocolate.
Any problem?
I want chocolate.
Need more?
Yes, I need more.
Need more?
Yes, I need more.
Feeling hungry?
No, I'm full.
Feeling hungry?
No, I'm full.
Did you eat?
No, I want milk.
Did you eat?
No, I want milk.
Shall we walk?
Yes, Mom. Let's walk.
Shall we walk?
Yes, Mom. Let's walk.
Why are you irritating me?
I feel bored.
Why are you irritating me?
I feel bored.
Shall we go?
Yes, with pleasure.
Shall we go?
Yes, with pleasure.
Who's behind you?
It's my toy friend.
Who's behind you?
It's my toy friend.
Feeling sleepy?
Yes, I feel sleepy.
Feeling sleepy?
Yes, I feel sleepy.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.